Hello YouTube, today we have one Dark Explorers, a second Dark Explorers, and the Kyurem 10. I am going to start with this Dark Explorers. These are my first ever Dark Explorers, and I don't really care much for it, but I want an EX. What'd you think, YouTube, when I get this Darkrai? I bought both of them Darkrai because Darkrai seems pretty cool. And it was the nicest cover on all of them. So we have online booster trading code. Pokemon. 1, 2, 3. Alright. See that? Poniard. Sorry, okay, we have Poniard. Dynamo, yeah, I need a Dynamo. Shelmet. Piplup. Carablast. Scyther, nice. Dark Claw, okay, I like that. Yes, a rare candy, that's what I wanted this thing for, actually, a rare candy. Palpitoad and a Carnivine. Okay, moving on to the second Dark Explorer, which will give me my Hooligans, which I want, or maybe another rare candy. I apologize in advance if you hear any noises or babies screaming or whatever, because you know I'm not the only one that lives here, and I have no time to record except whenever I feel like it, and I feel like it right now. So we have another online booster pack code. 1, 2. Alright. Sorry, excuse me, and I keep hitting the camera. So we have Joltik, Ducklet, Shelmet, Zavora, I like Zavora, Piplup, Sharon, okay. Krokorok, N, I wanted N, I forgot to mention Reverse Joberwack, and an Espeon, okay. I'll put that there. Moving on to the creme de la creme. A Kyurem 10. Oh shit, I just knocked all my cards. Oh, there's a phone ringing. Sorry for that. Kyurem EX, he's staying right there in that little tin. Online code, and it'll be the same as all my other tins. 2 Next Destinies, 1 Noble Victories, 1 Emerging Powers. Let's start from Emerging Powers, which is gonna give me my Pokemon catchers that I really want. Online code. Oh, almost forgot the little card trick. 1, 2. Or Tornadus EX full art. I just want to peek at the last one right now. So anyway, we have Pansage, Purloin, Rufflet, Panpour, Venipede, Recycle, I'll put that over there, Boldore, Tranquil, Darmaka Reverse, and yes, a Thundurus, and I wanted Thundurus. I'm just a regular hollow Thundurus. Let me show you the shininess. I wanted full art though. Up next we have Noble Victories. Somebody's knocking at the door. I don't know who it is. Noble Victories will give me my full art Victini. Bam. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Alright. Mienfoo, Axio, Larvesta, Yamask. Oh, a second Yamask. Eeviola, yes, I wanted that. I'm pretty getting cards that I want. I haven't mentioned it. A Durant, I want that too. Reverse is a Swallow and a Seb freaking stupid fucking Zebra. Open Zekrom one next. See what that gives. Online code. One tip. We have Growlithe, Grimer, Darumaka, Vanillite, Kricketot, Arcanine, Furlish, Minchow, Chandelure, ooh, reverse. I dropped it on you. You don't even care what it is. I'm not even gonna tell you if you didn't see it. It's bullshit. On to the last pack of the DA. Online code. I would just lay the thing down. Save it for last. Ferocity, Routes, Darumaka, Minfu, Growlithe, Luxio. Oh, Prism Energy. That's pretty cool. Curlia, Vanillish. And the last but not least card is something good. No. A Shift Tree. Let's recap really quick. These are the cards I care about, people. I got a Prism Energy, Chandelure, a Durant, Eviolite, Thundurus, Darumaka Reverse. I don't really care about that, I don't want to put it. Recycle, Espeon, N, Sharon, Savora, Rare Candy, and Dark Claw. That's all she wrote.